capital of both the Republic of Serbia and what used to be Yugoslavia. Belgrade is really ready to take its rightful place as one of Europe's major cities. Believe it or not, the nightlife is actually leading the way.
This is Belgrade, the dazzling capital of Serbia.
People from all over the world are attracted to this city for its charm and beauty.
From the quiet cafes to the sparkling nightlife, Belgrade is a city that never sleeps.
I live in Toronto, but this city is where the love is at. The love is in the air.
But what makes Belgrade the most appealing is the spirit of its people. Belgrade has the most interesting men and the most enigmatic women.
It's like Victoria's Secret for Serbians. Vesna's secret.
Even if a Belgrader feels down for some reason, there is a uniquely Serbian way to cheer him up. Hire a personal trumpet band. I'm Momci.
Hello, I'm Alex Gustafson and I represent Belgrade at night. Nah, it's fucking great.
Ovo je grad Beograd. Ulazim u klub, malo kasnim. Situacija je kao da je casting. Svaka me čeka da je cvijet časti. Neću na to pasti. Guza vamo pa, guza tamo da. Svaka guza hoće moje ruke, ja to znam. Pa šta sad, nemam ruku sto. Lagano jedna po jedna dupe na sto. Meše kukovima zemlja nek se grese.
Guys ready to party hard?
Yeah, let's hit it. Pojačaj pas, 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 pas. Pojačaj pas, pas, pas. Okej, DJ pojačaj zvuk, neka trese bas. Ovu noć sam lud, ova je noć za nas. Pojačaj zvuk, da vidimo ruke, da vidimo svi visoko. Ova je noć za nas.
They can get pretty crowded in front of Belgrade clubs. Let's go, gentlemen. Follow me. Right through. Go right through. Right through.
I know you're gonna miss me. I guarantee you'll miss me. 'Cause you changed the way you kiss me. Ovo je grad Beograd.
Ovdje sam loš i dobar, ovo je grad od snova.
Ovo je grad Beograd. Ovo je grad Beograd.
Tu gdje me čeka borba, tu me i čeka ona. To nije bela jakna, to nije bela jakna. Nije od belog zlata, to je od Belgrada. Sutra me čeka zapad, srce je tu kod juga. Veruj mi neću dugo, ti samo budi budna.
A string of floating clubs along the Sava River. First up and apparently the best along the strip is Club Down.
Welcome to Serbia. Welcome to Serbia.
It's wild in there. I love the people. So how do you describe the crowd?
Serbian people are really, let's say, party freaks.
Yeah, well, we've been told by Belgrade locals that sound is the best club here in Belgrade. What makes it so good?
We try to mix vibes and energy that you can find all around the world. with music and the people and the shows and the DJs. For sure, we will have the best nightlife that you can find here in Belgrade.
Another place to check out for a late night Belgrade boogie is right next door, Club Freestyler. It's a Wednesday night and this place is wild. Local DJs filling the room with house and hip hop rhythms, podium dancers to tease the lads and turn the crowd right up for a full night's club session. You'll find mingling and mayhem in this part of Belgrade till the sun rises for the entire summer period.
One word for Belgrade nightlife: relentless.
Welcome to Serbia.
Well, how's your experience been over the last 4 days?
It's a party music festival in a beautiful setting of a fortress. It's surreal.
Well, it's pretty amazing, yeah. Well, actually, the last day was just mind-blowing.
A lot of partying, a lot of good music, a lot of fun, and people should definitely check it out.
What would you say to anybody that's thinking about traveling to Serbia for the Exit Festival?
Do it, because it is as cheap as an English festival, and people are more friendly, and it's just a better experience. I wouldn't go back to an English festival. Come to Serbia.
For more information on tickets, accommodation and transport to the festival, visit the festival's website.
Moja je zemlja tamo gde si rođena I svaka mi je druga, samo dokaz da si najbolja. Ja vraćam se posle toliko godina, da priznam da je samo moja zemlja tebe imala. Moja je zemlja tamo gde si rođena I svaka mi je druga, samo dokaz da si najbolja. Ja vraćam se posle toliko godina, da priznam da je samo moja zemlja tebe imala.
If you're into festivals, then this is definitely one not to be missed. So make sure you get to Serbia for the next Exit Festival! Woo!